Want to set up Google Analytics on LearnWorlds and track your online course data like a pro? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it step by step so you can get valuable insights into your site's performance. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you some alternatives that might suit your needs even better. So first things first, head over to your LearnWorlds account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, navigate to the admin panel, which is where we'll be doing most of our work. Next, look for the settings section in the left-hand menu. Under this, you'll see an option for Tracking and Analytics. Click on that to open up the tracking options. You'll find a space to paste your Google Analytics tracking code. But here's the thing, if you haven't set up Google Analytics yet, I'll walk you through that too. To set up Google Analytics, go to Analytics, google.com, and either sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, click on Admin at the bottom left of the page. Under the Property column, click Create Property. Enter your website details, then click Create. Now, the most important part, grab your tracking ID. You'll find us in the Property Settings section. It will look something like UXXXXXXXXXX. Copy that ID and head back to LearnWorlds. Next thing, paste that tracking ID into the space provided in LearnWorlds. Once you've done that, click Save and you're done. Google Analytics will now start tracking your LearnWorlds website traffic. But wait, before you go, let's talk about the analytics setup a little more. While Google Analytics gives you a ton of data, it's not always the easiest to navigate. It can be overwhelming, especially if you just want a quick overview of your course performance. That's why, before we wrap up, I want to introduce you to some alternatives that could be a better fit depending on your needs. While LearnWorlds does integrate with Google Analytics well, there are platforms that might give you more in-depth, user-friendly insights, especially for course creators. These tools offer specialized analytics designed for the learning environment, and they might be the solution if you want more detailed insights into your learner behavior or course performance. Now, before we go, remember, we mentioned a special extended free trial for LearnWorlds, but the truth is, there are some even better options out there that offer incredible analytics features for your courses. These alternatives also come with free trials, and through the link in the description, you'll get access to exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So if you're looking to really level up your course tracking, check out the alternatives we recommend. You won't regret it.